What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to do a tail grab on your snowboard. Now, before you guys try to do a tail grab, make sure you can do straight airs on all sizes of jumps. I mean, you can start with the small ones. If you're a little above a jump like this, it's going to be the perfect time to learn how to do a tail grab. You don't want to be learning how to do a tail grab on a 35-foot jump. Let's figure it out on the smaller ones. We'll take it to the bigger. Now, there is an important thing when it comes to doing a tail grab. Make sure that you're not hitting a jump too small, not getting any air, because if you're not getting into the air, you're not gonna get your tail grab. I saw that through your goggles. Now, a big issue that people are gonna have with their tail grab is they're going to try to lean for the grab, and it's gonna cause them to throw their feet above them when they go off the takeoff. You do not want to be reaching for your tail grab going off the lip. You want to make sure you're in a stacked position, nice and ready to hit the jump, stacked, and then you're gonna pop off the jump. You're not gonna ollie, you're gonna pop, and then you're gonna do this thing called extend retract. You're gonna extend your lead knee, retract your back knee, which will then bring your tail right to where your hand is, and you should not have to lean at all. You should just have to stick your hand out and grab. A great way to practice that extension retraction is sit on the ground, put your legs down, extend, retract. Extend, retract. So you can sit down in front of the jump, practice what it's gonna feel like. Pretend like you're flying through the air. That's a great way to practice your nose or tail grab before you send it off a jump. Now, when you're doing your tail grab on bigger jumps, you can wait a little longer. You don't have to be so quick to grab your tail. You can pop into the air, get comfortable, extend, retract, and grab your board. The thing about tail grabs is it's actually a very simple grab once you figure out that extension retraction. That's really all you got to work on and figure out. Once you start doing that, that tail grab is going to be right there. Another big thing is don't look for your grab because you're traveling this way. So if you're going this way and you're looking this way trying to grab your board, that's not the move. You're gonna fall. Your head and your body go where you're going. So stacked position, looking straight, pop, extend, retract, grab, boom, you're crushing that tail grab. It's that simple. Another cool thing too is once you really start figuring out that extension, retraction, and the tail grab, you can start adding it on things like 180s, 360s, and getting some really stylish looking 360s and stuff by grabbing your snowboard. So work on your tail grab, it's super sick. And with that, guys, that's how you grab tail grab. I hope this video has helped you grab your tail on your snowboarding. Snowboarding and hitting jumps and doing grabs is literally one of the funnest things you can do while snowboarding. So get out there, practice your grabs. If you're struggling with grabs, I just released this new product. It's a grab map. So you order it, it comes with a schematic that shows you where all the grabs are on your snowboard and all the names, and it comes with corresponding stickers. So you put those stickers on your snowboard, you go out, you learn all the grabs, and then when you're done learning, you peel the stickers off, and now you know how to grab your snowboard. So if you want that product, it's linked in the description. I just released it today, so snag that product, learn how to grab your snowboard, it's gonna be killer. Also, what other things are you struggling with your snowboard? Tricks, carving, what is it? Comment down below so I can make another how-to videos for you guys, helping you get better at snowboarding, because that's my goal, is to help you become the best snowboarders possible. So if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button because I want to help you become a better snowboarder. But also, if you like this video, smash that like button. It helps the almighty YouTube algorithm. It will bless me if you hit that like button. More people will see the video, and the more people that see it, the better they get at snowboarding. The more people that like snowboarding, the more snowboarders, which we are then all winning because snowboarding will get more awesome. And with all of that, if you also want an Evolution sticker, it's linked in the description. And as always, Team Buckhouse, thank you so much for shredding with me today, learning how to grab tail grab with me today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.
I'm on top of the ocean, living like life ain't frozen, feeling my feet been chosen for something other than motion, yeah. Mama told me I'ma be somebody. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no, no. I ain't never gonna need nobody, no.